Hey guys, so today I'm here with the side accent in matte black, fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers. So if you're looking to add a little bit of character to your rig or a little bit of extra styling, this side accent decal is going to be a great solution to take a look at. This is going to be in matte black, so it's going to add a nice contrast to your Jeep around this fender vent. But what it's also going to do is provide a nice coverage of any blemishes that you have on your paint. So if you were out on the trail and caught a branch and scratched up your paint, this is going to do a really nice job at covering that up while also adding a little bit of style. So this is made of a 4mm wrapping cast PVC vinyl material, and it does have air release technology. So this is going to be very durable and last a long time, and it even has a lifespan of up to 8 years after installed on your Wrangler. So as far as price goes, guys, this is going to be fairly inexpensive at roughly $30. Now what I do like about this is the fact that it's JL specific. It does fit into this fender vent really nicely in comparison to a lot of other options on the page, which can be pretty generic or just fit a bunch of models, and they do have designs to them. So I do really like this subtle accenting here, and I do also like the fact that even though it is JL specific, it's not going to raise that price point. So it still does fit in the average price point of decals of this size. Not to mention, if you were not a fan of the matte black, this also does come in a couple of different colors. So if you have a black Wrangler and you don't want to put matte black on your black Wrangler, we do have a couple of choices on the page for a couple of different colors. So install is going to be a pretty easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. It might take you about 2 hours to get this installed, but it does come with a squeegee. All you're going to need is a microfiber and some soapy water. So speaking of the install, let's jump into that now. The tools that I used for my install were a clean microfiber, the provided squeegee, and soapy water. So before you apply any vinyl, you want to make sure that the surface you're applying it to is clean. I have a water and soap mixture here, so I'm just going to spray where our vinyl is going to be and just wipe it down with a microfiber towel, making sure that there's no dirt or anything that could get in the way of our adhesion process. So after our area is clean, you want to make sure to spray it again. This is going to allow us to move around the vinyl to make sure that it's placed correctly, and then we can squeegee all of that water out. So you want to give it a good coating on where we are applying the vinyl. And again, this is just a soap and water mixture. Then what we can do is grab our vinyl. So we can start to peel up our vinyl. They are side specific, so be aware of that. Then we can start to spray that soapy water. So once the vinyl is off, you want to make sure you spray this as well. Give it a good coating, and then we can place our vinyl where it needs to go. Now it is going to go in this indentation on your fender here. And it is just going to sit right above that ridge, up above your fender. So once that's in place and you have it where you want it, you can take your microfiber towel and your squeegee and start to squeegee all of the water from underneath the vinyl. So I recommend to start from the middle, and if there's an air bubble, you can just work that out. So what the microfiber is going to do is just protect the vinyl from any scratching of the squeegee. So after your vinyl is in place and adhered down, you just want to make sure that you're cleaning up any of that soapy water mixture. Then you can repeat the process on the other side and you're all set to go. That's going to wrap it up for my review and install. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.